Did you know the FBI's most wanted Russian spy worked inside FBI headquarters for over 20 years? Robert Hanssen seemed like the perfect counterintelligence agent. His job was hunting Soviet spies, but secretly, he was selling America's biggest secrets to Russia for $1.4 million. From 1979 to 2001, Hanssen lived a double life. He used dead drops in Virginia parks, leaving classified files under wooden bridges. He sent encrypted messages and hacked FBI computers to find the names of American spies in Russia. His paranoid personality actually helped him stay hidden. He never met his Russian handlers face to face. He used fake names and sophisticated spy tricks that kept him safe through the entire Cold War. But on February 18, 2001, FBI agents finally caught him red-handed at Foxstone Park. He was placing a bag of secrets under a footbridge when they surrounded him. His betrayal was devastating. Multiple American agents in Russia were executed because of the information he sold. 22 years of damage in one arrest.